My name is Aidan Eyakuze. I am Executive Director with Twaweza, East Africa. Unboxing data for the digital economy for me means unleashing the power that is there in numbers, in pictures, in words, to bring prosperity, to bring understanding, to make our lives better as individuals, as communities, and as a country. I find it very rich. We've only just started, but there's so many sectoral conversations that are going to go on. I'm interested in the one around our rights, digital rights and privacy of our data, because companies are using our data in all sorts of interesting ways. Maybe some are good, others are, we need to understand. Understanding the use of data for agriculture, climate change, gender, how is data showing the inequality between, men and women, boys and girls. So there's a lot of things for me to learn. I'm very excited to be here.